I've spent my hard-earned cash testing various under-sink water filters, so you don't have to waste your money. With city water often containing unwanted chemicals and tastes, I wanted to find the best solutions. Join me as I dive deep into the top 5 options that promise clean, fresh water right from your tap.
Product number 1. CUZ Under-Sink Water Filter. When I first heard about the CUZ Under-Sink Water Filter, I was skeptical. A 5-year filtration life? That's almost unheard of. I installed it under my kitchen sink and the whole process was smooth and straightforward. The kit included everything I needed and there were no tools required, just my hands and a bit of patience. Once connected, I noticed a significant difference in the taste of my tap water. It was crisp and refreshing without the usual chlorine taste. This system employs a 3-stage filtration process that effectively reduces harmful impurities like PFAs, lead, and chlorine while retaining beneficial minerals. After a month of use, I can confidently say that my family and I enjoy drinking more water, and I feel secure knowing that we're consuming something safe. However, the filter does have a few cons. While it boasts an impressive 50,000-gallon capacity, it doesn't reduce TDS, which may not suit everyone's needs. Installation was easy, but you need to ensure the connections are tight to prevent leaks. Overall, if you are looking for a long-lasting, effective under-sink filter, the CUZ model is a worthy investment. Its unbeatable value and performance make it a top contender in my book.
Product number 2. PurePlus Under-Sink Water Filter. When I decided to try the PurePlus Under-Sink Water Filter, I was drawn by its ultra-high capacity of 22,000 gallons and its affordable price. I installed it, and I was pleasantly surprised by how quick the setup was, thanks to its quick connect design. Once it was up and running, I ran a taste test. The difference was immediate. This filter reduced chlorine and other unpleasant odors by 99%, making my water taste clean and fresh. I also loved that it retains essential minerals, which is crucial for overall health. The materials are certified lead-free and BPA-free, so I felt good about the safety of the water I was consuming. However, I did notice that it only connects to cold water, which may limit its use in some households. Also, while the flow rate is excellent, the 2.5 GPM might be a bit underwhelming for larger families. That said, for anyone looking for an efficient, budget-friendly filter, the PurePlus is a fantastic choice. It offers significant savings in the long run and delivers on its promises.
Product number 3. Novetti Under-Sink Water Filter. The Novetti Under-Sink Water Filter caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive specs. Installation was a breeze with its braided hoses, no drilling necessary. I connected it to my kitchen faucet and I loved that I could start using it right away. After a few days, I noticed a marked improvement in water taste. It effectively reduced 99.5% of chlorine, lead, and other contaminants, ensuring each sip was refreshing. One feature that stood out to me was the filter tracking via the Novetti app. This smart technology allows you to monitor the filter's lifespan in real time, which is something I've never seen before. On the downside, while it claims to last up to 3 years, I found that water quality can vary, so it might need replacing sooner in some areas. Additionally, the flow rate was decent, but not as high as others I've tested. Still, if you're tech-savvy and appreciate knowing exactly when to change your filter, this model is a solid choice. It strikes a good balance between performance, price, and innovative features.
Product number 4, Dreamwill's DS10 Under-Sink Water Filter. After hearing rave reviews about the Dreamwill's DS10, I had to put it to the test. The installation was incredibly straightforward. No tools required, just a few simple connections. Once it was set up, I was impressed by the 1.3 GPM flow rate. It filled my glass in just seconds. The filter effectively reduced chlorine and unpleasant odors, making my water taste clean. I also appreciated the hygienic 12-month freshness cycle. It ensures that I'm drinking from a fresh, active carbon block. However, while the shorter lifespan compared to others was a drawback, it still provides an excellent value for the price. The compact design fit perfectly under my sink, leaving room for my cleaning supplies. For anyone seeking a reliable, easy-to-install filter that delivers on its promises, the Dreamwell's DS10 is a strong contender. Its user-friendly features and solid performance make it an attractive option for anyone looking to improve their drinking water quality.
Product number 5. iSpring US31 Under-Sink Water System. The iSpring US31 caught my attention with its 3-stage filtration system and sleek design. Installation was straightforward, and I was pleased to see a clear housing that allowed me to inspect the filter easily. The filtration process tackled everything from dust and dirt to heavy metals and chlorine, which was a relief. The flow rate was impressive, and it met the needs of my family without any issues. However, I did note that it doesn't lower TDS, which could be a deal breaker for some. Still, it preserves healthy minerals, which is a plus. Customer service was fantastic, with a 1-year manufacturer warranty and lifetime support, which made me feel secure in my purchase. If you're looking for a durable and reliable under-sink filter system that combines quality and convenience, the iSpring US31 is worth considering. Its ease of use and effective filtration make it a great choice for anyone wanting to improve their water quality. In conclusion, each of these under-sink water filters has its unique strengths and appeals to different needs. Whether you're looking for long-term savings, smart features, or ease of installation, there's something on this list for you. Choose wisely and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with clean, fresh water right from your tap.